Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're talking about another common question that our customers often ask us about microwaves, and that is, how can I get rid of stubborn stains on my microwave? Stains that have been there for a little too long, that are maybe a bit greasy, a little bit hard to get rid of. How can I go about cleaning those up nice and safely? Well, we've got a few things to talk about. The first thing we want to talk about is deodorizing your microwave. And to do that, we've got a few things in front of us. We've got a microwavable bowl filled with approximately 250 milliliters of water, and we've got some lemon here. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to add the lemon to the water, put the water in the microwave and turn it on. And what that's going to do is that's going to help introduce a whole load of high temperature moisture to the sides of the microwave. That lemon is going to help sort of break down those stubborn stains a little bit, and it's going to make cleaning that away much easier. So to do this, you can either pop half a lemon in whole or just squeeze a load of the lemon juice in there. That really helps with the stubborn stains that you might find in your microwave. We're going to pop this bowl in the middle like that, and then what you want to do is you want to select microwave high, and you want to put this on for approximately 3 to 5 minutes depending, or until the water starts boiling. So we'll put this on, and then once that's finished, we'll get to the next step. So we're not going to do the whole thing now. The microwave is actually pretty clean, but once that's all boiled and you're happy, you can take out, obviously using oven gloves to make sure you don't burn yourself. You can take out the water, and you should find that the inside of your microwave is much easier to wipe away those stubborn stains, and you can do it using a nice clean cloth that's quite soft. Try not to use anything too abrasive, and you can go about wiping the sides or wherever you're finding those stubborn stains in your microwave. If you're finding that after using the lemon and the water it hasn't quite helped, you can repeat the process. That may help, but I know it might be tempting at that point to go in really hard with a scrubbing brush or something really abrasive. Please don't do that. You risk damaging or scratching the interior of the microwave, and that's really not good. What you want to do is just use a soft cloth like this. You can add a little bit of mild soap detergent or cleaning spray to the cloth, and you can use that, but try not to be too heavy-handed. I know it can be really frustrating when you've got stubborn stains. You really want to get in there and scrub nice and hard, but you don't need to do that. You can just keep repeating this process until those stains begin to soften, and they get much easier to wipe away. So I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.